Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to another Global MOBIS News Update. I'm your host, Josh Newton, and after a long winter, real spring has finally arrived here in Korea. April is one of Korea's most beautiful seasons. Flowers are blooming all around us, and people seem to be walking with a little more spring in their step. Did you have a chance to pause for a moment and really take in this season? Did you stop and gaze at the cherry blossoms while they were in bloom? In Korea, a lot of people make the most of this time of year by going on a spring picnic. Maybe they head to a nearby park or destination just a little ways away. Regardless of where, the idea is the same: to spend time together, share a few laughs, and fully enjoy the season. I hope your April was filled with warm moments that brought a smile to your face. With this boost of energy, let's take a look at the MOBIS News headlines. Today, we've got introducing MOBIS Hungary. Global Legal Conference held. MPE-SE Conference in Sweden. Design Open Labs held. New GBAs recruited. Sweden Winter Test Center documentary Why Fight Cold released. Lots of interesting stories coming up. Let's take a closer look. Introducing MOBIS Hungary. Last month, I briefly announced our new plant in Hungary. It will function as the core partner site for Mercedes-Benz and is also the latest manufacturing plant for MOBIS. I have been impatiently waiting to learn more about our new MOBIS Hungary plant, also known as MHU. And today, we are lucky to have Gabor with us, who will share more details of this new facility. Please welcome Gabor.
Hi Josh, it's nice to meet you. As you introduced me, my name is Gabor and I'm a member of production team here in MOBIS Hungary plant.
Wonderful to meet you too. You know, I actually practiced to say hi in Hungarian. See ya, Gabor. How did I do?
You did very well. I'm thankful. In Hungarian language, you can say köszönöm. It means thank you.
Köszönöm. Love picking up pieces of new languages. So, big congratulations for having successfully commenced operations in Hungary. Can you tell us more about this new facility?
It's my pleasure to introduce our brand new plant to all MOBIS employees around the globe. So we are located in Kecskemét. It's about 1 hour drive south of Budapest, and Budapest is the capital city of Hungary. So we are conveniently located. But more importantly, the plant is strategically located to be proximity to our customer, Mercedes-Benz. This allows us to supply our items more promptly and conveniently to the customer site.
Makes sense. Less hassle and less wasted time in delivery. What items are manufactured in MOBIS Hungary?
So currently we are manufacturing chassis modules for AVs and HEVs. And the chassis module is simply all-in-one packaging of the lower part of the car. It consists brakes, suspension, steerings, and many linkages and struts that makes the core parts into one package. But in the future, there is a plan to produce different items as well.
Chassis modules. MOBIS has a lot of experience in manufacturing chassis modules. I guess that's why MOBIS was selected as the partner to a German premium car maker, right?
Yes, you are absolutely right. MOBIS is known for global top quality in car manufacturing modules. But not just that, we also have our own supply process to promptly answer to the needs of our customer. We call this process just in sequence. This is MOBIS efficient manufacturing method of modules. So when the customer shares the production plan in real time, the manufacturing of our modules begins immediately to that plan.
There's no doubt about MOBIS's skills in module manufacturing. Other than manufacturing lines, what other areas does MHU have?
As our plant is brand new, we also have a totally new, huge open office, meeting rooms, and we also have many resting rooms, including the huge canteen. So every employee can enjoy their working time and the break time as well.
Seems like a pretty nifty new facility. What about the work culture? What can you tell us about that?
Yes, as we are at the beginning, everybody is excited about the nearest future, the new opportunities, and everything. So everybody can enjoy their working hours, and it makes a very nice environment here. Especially from production side, We love to use the new tools, technologies, devices, and so on.
Listening to you makes me want to visit your plant. I guess I got to add that to my bucket list. Before we wrap up, is there anything you wish to say to our viewers?
Yes, there is. I would like to draw attention to MOBIS huge community. So every time when you need to solve some problems, achieve your KPIs or any kind of goals, you need to remember you are not alone. You can contact many plants around the globe, and you can contact us as well. So I know and I believe we can work together and grow together as well.
It was really great talking with you. I think Kusinum?
Yeah, that's correct. Thank you, Josh. Thank you, everybody, and bye-bye.
Take care, Gabor. Global Legal Conference held. Next up, a story about the legal teams working behind the scenes to help protect our company. From April 7th to 9th, legal professionals from all around the world came together at MOBIS's headquarters. A total of 50 participants joined the conference, including 31 legal staff from overseas subsidiaries and 11 brand protection specialists. At this point, it's fair to say it was kind of like the global legal Avengers. Sorry. So why did they come together? Because in today's global business environment, legal challenges can't be tackled alone. They need to be addressed together. Operating across global markets means navigating different laws, regulations, and business environments, making it increasingly challenging to respond quickly and effectively to disputes or litigation. And more recently, issues such as counterfeit products have added another layer of complexity. At the conference, participants shared legal cases they had experienced firsthand in their respective regions, while also connecting with the expertise and response strategies developed at headquarters. Together, these efforts helped build a more closely connected global legal network. In the end, it all comes down to one thing: bringing together scattered capabilities to respond faster and with greater strength. Through efforts like this, Hyundai MOBIS is continuing to strengthen its ability to protect and support its business in the global market. MPE-SE Conference in Sweden. Our next story comes from the field, where people are working toward a more sustainable future. A conference focused on plastic recycling was recently held in the industrial district where MPE-SE, our Swedish parts subsidiary, is located. It was a meaningful gathering that brought together local industry organizations and companies to discuss practical solutions for the future. Today we have Attila, our Swedish Global MOBIS Ambassador, joining us to share insights from the recent LogPoint annual meeting. Thanks for being here, Attila.
Thank you, Josh. After freezing in Arjeplog, I never thought I'd be so excited about indoor discussions on plastic sorting, but here we are.
Before we dive into the meeting, can you tell our viewers what exactly is LogPoint?
Of course, LogPoint South Sweden is a major logistics and industrial hub near Jönköping. It's home to over 120 companies and thousands of employees, all working together to optimize logistics, share knowledge, and improve efficiency. For us at Hyundai MOBIS Sweden, it's a key network for learning and collaboration in supply chain and sustainability practices. This year, we had the honor of hosting the annual meeting.
Great context. Okay, so the meeting focused on plastic. Can you give us a quick overview?
The meeting brought together businesses within LogPoint to share experiences on handling and recycling different types of plastic. The goal was to reduce incineration, increase recycling, and learn from each other's challenges and solutions.
Those are some heavy topics to tackle. Who participated in this dialogue?
Representatives from IKEA, Elgiganten, PostNord, Danish Crown, plus recycling specialists like GBAs, who we work with here at MOBIS, and Stena Recycling.
IKEA? Sounds familiar. That's a big name to be involved. What were some of the key challenges discussed?
Plastics that are hard to recycle and uncertainty about correct sorting. IKEA is testing cardboard strips as plastic alternative, while Danish Crown faces challenges with food-contaminated plastics. Recycling companies emphasized the importance of larger, consistent volumes of the same type of plastic to make recycling economically viable, and that's exactly what we're providing here.
Did anything surprising come up?
After a day of talking about plastics, I realized there are more types of plastic than there are excuses for not recycling them.
Oh, that's a good line. So, what's the main takeaway for MOBIS and the LogPoint network?
Collaboration is key. By sharing knowledge and taking small, coordinated steps, we can reduce incineration, increase recycling, and move closer to climate-neutral operations. Everyone agreed that the future of recycling is bright, especially if we consolidate plastic types and volumes.
It sounds like the event gave you a lot to think about. In your opinion, Attila, is there something anyone could start doing personally, even as early as tomorrow?
Just this, working together makes a real difference. If we sort plastics right today, we're not just helping MOBIS or LogPoint, we're helping the planet. Because sometimes the smallest details can have the biggest impact. I think the biggest change would be to change the mindset. Instead of thinking someone else will handle this, start thinking my sorting is the first step in the recycling chain. That shift alone changes a lot.
Agreed. Fantastic. Any final thoughts for our viewers?
Absolutely. The simplest thing anyone can start doing already tomorrow is to slow down just a little when sorting waste. Take a second look, ask what kind of plastic is this, and sort it as correctly as possible. It sounds small, but those small choices add up. When many people do it right, it actually makes recycling possible further down the chain.
Perfect. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts and your time. Take care of yourself, Attila, and talk soon. Design Open Labs held. Up next, we have a story from Design Open Labs, where future technologies come together in one place. Held at the Marburg Research Center from April 9th to 10th, the event brought together a wide range of ideas across electronics, modules, and advanced convergence technologies. It also served as a space to actively share a number of proofs of concepts, or POCs, showcasing technologies that make you think, yeah, this really works. On site, visitors got a first-hand look at next-generation integrated cockpit solutions, MVIX 7.0, hyper-minimal in-cabin design, and even hidden lamps. It was quite literally a mini showcase offering a preview of the future vehicle experience. The event brought together not only internal teams, but also representatives from customer brands, including Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis. As they came together to explore mid to long-term technology directions, the event went beyond simply sharing technologies and opened the door to new possibilities for collaboration. And in the end, the message was simple. Technology isn't built alone, it's shaped together. And the future taking shape with MOBIS is definitely something to look forward to. GBA Season 2. New members recruited. Up next, a story about some very special people who bring us stories from all around the world. Our GBAs. Recruitment for GBA Season 2, representing overseas subsidiaries across the globe, was completed in April. With 8 returning members, GBAs are the people who help share the many different sides of MOBIS. They share everything from key updates at each subsidiary to local culture and stories about outstanding talent. Just like spring brings in new blooms, we're excited to see new faces joining us this season. I look forward to chatting with them, and hopefully you're just as eager as I am to see them right here on Global MOBIS News. Sweden Winter Test Center documentary, Wi-Fi Cold, released. It's a place every MOBIS employee knows. And if you're a regular viewer of Global MOBIS News, it's probably even more familiar. That's right, it's the Sweden Winter Test Center. And now, a new documentary featuring that very place, Wi-Fi Cold, has officially been released. The documentary follows the engineers working tirelessly in extreme winter conditions to deliver flawless performance, even in the harshest environments. You can check out that vivid on-site footage for yourself on YouTube. So if you haven't seen it yet, go check it out. And that's all for today's Global MOBIS News. As spring continues to deepen, I hope you'll find small moments of rest and happiness in your everyday life. Enjoy the warm spring days ahead, and as always, stay mobile.